In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now, to manage auto brightness from Tab menu, you need to hold your brightness slider until you see this pop-up. Then tap on auto brightness at the bottom left corner of it. And if it's white with an orange sun, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, click on the same one until it's gray with a white icon. To go back, tap on blurry area. If you want to manage it from your device's settings, go into Settings. Scroll to choose this section, which is Display and Brightness. And click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness to turn it on or switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!